What's up, my beautiful people? Good day, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this simple but very potent home remedy that has been growing in my daughter's hair, and you can as well try this remedy on your hair or your daughter's hair. If you're having issues with hair growth, you notice that you can't retain length because your hair is shedding excessively, then you should definitely give this treatment a try out. So to make our rosemary and clove treatment, first I added 1 tablespoon of rosemary in a jar, and then I followed up with another 1 tablespoon of clove, and that is all you need. This simple 2 ingredients is all you need. Okay, 1 tablespoon of rosemary and 1 tablespoon of clove. And then I like to, instead of boiling mine, I like to infuse mine overnight. Like, this is the best method for me, unless of course the rosemary leaves are fresh leaves. So I poured my hot water inside my jar, and then I covered it. Then I covered it with a foil paper and allow it to sit overnight. All right. The next morning, this is what it was looking like. I strained it and then I pour in my spray bottle. All right guys, so please, when you're trying to pour yours in your spray bottle, make sure to use funnel, okay, so that you don't make a mess. Now our hair growth spray is ready, guys. When I tell you that this hair growth spray is potent, I am not joking. I've tried this and it has worked. So because it's working, that is why I am sharing with you. Now it's time for application. So I like to spread the treatment on her scalp first and then on the rest of her hair, and I will work this in properly. Don't forget to massage the scalp. Anytime you're using a treatment, please ensure that you're massaging the scalp. Once you apply your treatment, follow up with massaging that area, because this is going to help the treatment to work more effectively. All right. So another thing that I like to do is to finger detangle. All right. And after working it in properly, I'm going to then apply my leave-in conditioner. Very important. So if you've been using this and you notice that it is drying out your hair, it is best that you incorporate a leave-in conditioner after using the treatment. Okay, so for the people that experience dryness after using this treatment, the reason why you might be experiencing dryness could be because of the protein content in cloves, and that is why I encourage you to follow up with a moisturizing routine after using this treatment, and that will help keep your hair intact and prevent it from drying out your hair. However, if you notice that it is still drying out your hair, it is best that you stop and use other DIYs. Okay, and when you're done, it is also best that you seal in everything. Okay. So why I chose not to use pomade in this video is because I am using this treatment as a Prepoo treatment. I'm using it here to detangle my baby's hair, which I'm going to wash off after a few hours. So I didn't bother sealing it in because I feel like it's not necessary. All right. But if you're going to be using it as a leave-in treatment, please follow up with a leave-in conditioner and then seal with pomade or grease or oil. If you don't want to use a leave-in conditioner, just follow up immediately with a hair pomade. But I'm just sharing with you how I've used it on my baby's hair, and it works. If you're shedding excessively, try this treatment. If your scalp is itchy, try this treatment. If you're having flaky scalp, immediately after washing your hair, try this treatment. Be consistent with it. Before the end of this year, I believe that there will be a great change on your hair. Okay, so here are 3 ways that you can use this treatment. Number 1 as a Prepoo, and then number 2 as a leave-in treatment, and then number 3 as a rinse out. If there is anyone that is left in the bottle after using it, please ensure that you put it in the fridge for up to 7 days. Okay, after 7 days, discard and make a fresh batch. So let me share with you all some of the benefits that you stand to gain when using this treatment. Okay, first let's talk about rosemary. So rosemary water is often used as a natural remedy for hair care due to its many potential benefits. Some of these benefits includes the fact that it promotes hair growth. All right, so rosemary has shown to stimulate hair follicles, which in turn increase hair growth. Some studies a while ago suggest that rosemary water can be as effective as hair growth over-the-counter treatment that is called minoxidil. Let me not bite my tongue, but minoxidil. I'll just put the name up here for you to see. Okay, and another benefit that you stand to gain when you start using rosemary is the fact that it improves the health of your scalp. Remember I told you that if you're having itchy scalp, if your hair is not if your hair is always flaky, that you should try rosemary, right? So this is because it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to improve the health of your scalp by reducing dandruff and soothing itchy and irritated scalp. So another benefit that you stand to gain when you're using rosemary water on your hair is the fact that it strengthens your hair strands. All right, yeah, so rosemary is a good remedy for if your hair is weak and you're looking for a way to strengthen your scalp and all of that. Rosemary also prevents premature graying. Do you know that using rosemary on your hair help darken your hair, okay, naturally? All right, and then it reduces hair loss. I told you that if your hair is shedding excessively, you should try rosemary because it's going to help to reduce hair thinning and hair loss, especially if you're experiencing hair loss due to scalp issues. There are so many more benefits that you stand to gain once you start using rosemary. I want you to do more research on that. All right, I'm just listing a few for you here. Now let's talk about the benefits of cloves. So cloves as well as rosemary promotes hair growth, all right, because cloves is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that may help stimulate your hair follicles, which promotes healthy hair growth. Cloves also reduces excessive hair fall. If you're experiencing too much hair fall, you can try using cloves on your hair. So another thing that cloves does is that it helps fight dandruff. Another benefit of using clove on your hair is the fact that it prevents scalp infections. Guys, these two ingredients are best. When you combine these two ingredients together, you're going to see a great result. So I encourage you today to try this treatment and let me know how it feels on your hair. And if you've tried it, please can you let me know your results from using these ingredients. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. God bless you. Now if you have any question, please remember to ask me in the comment section, and I will see you guys in this video.
And mommy play it together and we let her because now my mommy make my hair look fine. Now I wait for her. Let us wait for her. Mommy is a great mom, and she will make it very fun. Subscribe to the videos and I like the videos, and if you can make your hair long like this, you just make your hair long like my own hair. If tell your mommy to make your hair like my own hair. Bye.
See you later.